number 4. What is the difference of PCC as a Filipino Catholic Church among the other religions? Second question. What is the difference of PCC as a Filipino Catholic Church among other religions?
Ladies and gentlemen, normally both are under Christian domination after the rise of the Christian Islam. But the difference between Filipino Catholic and Filipino Catholic is the office of the company is for various ways. The LP candidate for University is waiting for I want to know the market living report and ensure the love, peace, generosity, and unity serve as a fundamental faith for every Filipino who are always together in their own way. And I'm proud to say that I am a PEC member in thought, in word, and in deed.
Ano sila kuha eh. Ano sa kuha.